If you've ever wondered what you need to do to heal arthritis from the source without medicine, then this video is the one you can't afford to miss. Most treatments only mask the pain instead of healing the joints and body. Arthritis can make you feel powerless over your body, and I wouldn't wish that powerless feeling upon anybody. Hi, I'm Johnston. My education first started as a kid when my mom's friend Laura, who's an herbologist, would take me to her house. I would see patients come in with the worst health problems, and within a couple months come out pain-free and healed of their symptoms. That's why you can't miss any part of this video. It has everything needed to start healing arthritis from the source with a free webinar, What Doctors Don't Want You to Know About Healing Arthritis. I used to think to myself, why isn't there a cure for arthritis? When there are so many doctors and professionals out there that specialize in so many fields, including stem cell technology. Well, one day I was talking to my mom, who was a registered nurse. She was in school getting her next certification and was getting so mad at her college textbooks because all they had in them were drugs and side effects. She showed me the book, and not a single thing in there in this thick book was about curing or healing anything. It was just about a patient's symptom, drug to take, side effects, and then how to counter the side effects with other drugs and how bad the drugs were for your health. If you've ever been to the doctor and have gotten a prescription, you probably have had to deal with some side effects, and most of them aren't pretty and usually ruin your liver somehow. But don't blame your doctor. They were trained to fix a symptom, not the source of the problem. So on this journey, I've realized that the pharmaceutical industry is great about getting rid of your symptoms because that's their aim. They aren't really interested in getting rid of the source of the problem because that's where they lose their money on drug sales. Well, this is where we get into the source of arthritis. The term is derived from arthur, which means joint, and itis, which means inflammation. Arthritis is a term often used to mean any disorder that affects joints. Symptoms generally include joint pain and stiffness. Other symptoms may include redness, warmth, swelling, and decreased range of motion of the affected joints. There are over 100 types of arthritis. The most common forms are osteoarthritis, degenerative joint disease, and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis usually occurs with age and affects the fingers, knees, and hips. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder that often affects the hands and feet. Other types include gout, lupus, fibromyalgia, and septic arthritis. These are all types of rheumatic arthritis. The most common treatments include resting the joint and alternating between applying ice and heat, and of course drugs, which include pain medications such as ibuprofen and paracetamol. Here are a few facts. Osteoarthritis affects more than 3.8% of people, while rheumatoid arthritis affects about 0.24% of people. In Australia, about 15% of people are affected by arthritis, while in the United States, more than 20% have a type of arthritis. Arthritis tends to become more common with age, but it can hit any age. Arthritis is also a common reason that people miss work and is the most common cause of disability in the United States. More than 20 million individuals with arthritis have severe limitations in function on a daily basis. It is estimated that the total cost of arthritis cases is close to $100 billion, of which almost 50% is lost earnings. Every year, arthritis results in nearly 1 million hospitalizations and close to 45 million outpatient visits to healthcare centers. Decreased range of motion and mobility in combination with the above symptoms can make it difficult for someone to remain physically active, which can cause an increased risk of obesity, high cholesterol, and heart disease. People with arthritis are also at an increased risk of depression, which may be a response to numerous factors, including fear of worsening symptoms. That's why I'm here to help you. I hate seeing you or anyone else in pain. Just know our body tells us when something is not right. Arthritis is a sign that you're lacking something your body needs and is desperately trying to reach out to you. But eventually your health declines until it gets what it needs. So what can we do? Well, diet does have a role, but there are many different approaches to arthritis. The three main approaches are what you can avoid in your diet that cause joint pain, what you can add to your diet to decrease joint pain and to heal your joints, and pressure points to increase blood flow to nourish your joints and body. Things like sugar can make your joint pain worse. There are other foods that thicken the blood and prevent blood flow, which causes your joints to hurt and swell. That's why I'm going to reveal some secrets about arthritis in my free webinar, What Doctors Don't Want You to Know About Healing Arthritis. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you want to heal your arthritis from the source, I have this free training for you. It will help you with getting your arthritis under control and becoming pain-free again. Until next time, bye.